Yes, ma'am. Yes.
What are you gonna do with it?
Fix it up, man.
Hey, dude, I'll help you with whatever, dude. Like,
Alright, man. For
people
sure.
don't even know what they're seeing.
Yeah, I know they don't.
Alright, dude, take care.
Alright, you too, man. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Shh. Welcome to the channel. We have a new video today and I'm so excited. I just saw on the thumbnail we have received a new body kit for the FD. It is just the flares, fender flares for the front and rear. I'm still waiting on the front bumper to get here, but pretty much the car has just been sitting here for now. We're working up a wedding, so I'm really stoked that these parts have just arrived. Again, it's just the fender flares, and I'm gonna try to mock them up as best as I can. I just want to see how it looks. Yeah, they just got here, so let's go inside and unbox those big boys. But the anxiety kicked in, and I had to open the box to see what was in here. Let's get to unboxing this thing, yeah? Second part. It is a wide body kit. It is the RE Amamiya or Amamiya, whatever it's called, wide body kit, which is about 50 millimeters that it extends outwards from the fenders. So it's a little bit thicker than what the FD comes with at normal. I can't wait to reveal to you guys the front bumper. It is absolutely amazing. It's not the RE Amamiya or whatever it's called. It's actually a different one, and I can't wait to show you guys how that part's gonna look. So first one. It is pretty dark here, but you guys can kind of get the hint of how it looks like. Okay, finally done unboxing these things. So, I believe these are Duraflex. I bought them off of bodykits.com, so they're not authentic, and I'm not planning on going authentic unless I really have money just to spend like that. I think they're great, just need some adjustments here and there where it's kind of cracked and kind of like, you know, has some imperfections here and there. Other than that, I think they look great. We're gonna go outside and try to mock them up as best as we can. Of course, the FD is crashed, and of course it's not gonna look as if I'm putting them on the WRX, but it gives us, I guess, I just want to see how it looks. So let's go out with the FD, take these bad boys outside and try to mock them up as best as we can. But yeah, I'll link these down in the description below so you guys can check them out if you have any RX7's FDs. They have a bunch of kits there. They have the Rocket Bunny, they have the regular, just the fender flares. These are the REGT Amamiya, you know, copies or replicas. Post a video of a car that I kind of want my FD to look like. I'll put it down after this clip. So yeah, that's how I want it to look. So I don't know, what do you guys think? I'm so excited about this build, man. It's crazy to think that I have an RX-7. Let's mock these things up and see how it is. So these are kind of odd because they go into like the hood or like the engine bay, as you can see here. So it's like inside the actual thing, which I mean is fine because I was just gonna mock it up. I don't know how it's gonna look when we actually install the thing. Once it's fixed and all that, you know what I mean. But for now, I'm gonna try to mock the rears because those are the ones that kind of look the best right now, and then I'll show you guys how it's gonna look. I'm so excited, guys. But yeah, stay tuned. Oh my fucking god. Oh baby, look at that. Of course the front is not that great, but the rear, oh no. Oh my god, guys, I can't even. I think I'm gonna need the side skirts that go all the way across. I don't think this one has them. Other than that, it looks great, man. A little walk around. Oh dude, I can't. Just look at this rear right here. The rear. Oh man, I just can't get over the fact that this thing is gonna look so amazing. A lot of things are coming soon for this FD and actually for the WRX as well. So oh man, I can't get past this rear end, man. Just look at it. With that being said, guys, just wanted to show you what we've been doing with the FD, how it's looking. Of course, it hasn't been sent for body work at all. That's still in the works. But oh, I just can't look at it. Oh my god. Just wow. Not sure if I'm gonna go with an actual dashboard from the FD. I just can't find any. But if I do, I'll probably get it as soon as I can because those things fly. But anyway, guys, let me know what you guys think on the new body kit. I can't wait to show you guys the bumper that I got. It's on the way. I'm just waiting for it. I wish it would have gotten here so that we could have taken a picture from the front. But anyway, nonetheless, I still love how it looks, man. Oh my god. I just wanted to showcase this new body kit, fender flares that I got for the FD. I just can't wait for this thing to be sent to get the body work and paint done. It's gonna look so great. This bumper is in pristine condition. I mean, the taillights, they're okay. I don't see any problems with them at all. But the rear is just looking great. I do need a rear hatch. I can't find any. So if you guys have any people or someone that fabricates any of the things for the FD, this thing needs a lot of parts, from interior to exterior to the front to the back. windows, anything, please let me know in the comments below or message me on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram down here. I don't know, again, the interior, I don't know what I'm gonna do with the dash, because this is a left-hand drive and I don't know if I should just keep it as is, stripped down. I don't know. So please let me know what do you guys think in the comments below. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content regarding the RX-7, the WRX, and actually the Mustang. So again, this is going to be the end of today's video. I really appreciate you guys coming in and checking out the new parts for the FD. I'm so excited. I'm just waiting on that front bumper so you guys can check it out, because I'm so ecstatic, guys, and I just love making videos for you guys. So again, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit that post notifications button so that you don't miss any of my videos, because I am posting much often, as you guys can see. Look at it, just look. Oh my god, dude. Please leave a thumbs up for that reaction, man. Please leave a thumbs up for the FD. It's gonna be sexy machine. Oh, I just can't wait, man. I can't freaking wait. I also need a motor. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get the 2J or if I'm gonna put a 13B. I really don't know. I'm stuck between those two for real, for real. But let me know, please, because I'm stuck. I really am. There it is, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up. I'll truly appreciate that. I'll try to leave kind of a cinematic shoot of how it looks. But yeah, this is gonna be the end of today's video, and until next time, peace out.